No bed, no house, no possessions other than motor vehicles. And you're saying that Alicia Kim wanted to buy a new bed and that caused an argument, and that your sister was offering her bed, and that you're just starting out at that age. So you didn't have anything. You're trying to get on your feet. And you took this young lady from Jamaica, brought her to the United States of America as a person who is just starting out. And you had a problem with her wanting to get a new bed for her new apartment.
Can have something, we can say, well, then, boy, we have something together, right? I never have no problem with that. Never have no problem with that, But, we are get a bed, right? You claim, well, then, boy, we don't have money and stuff like that. We just a start out. Let's take the bed until, we get our foot, up and running. Then, we get something else. We now have this forever. So I turned to her and I said to her, the only reason why you want to make a big deal over this bed is because, you want to go in at the furniture store, go run camera, say, boy, you buy bed and all them stuff there.